Hi everyone, welcome back to my Android Tech channel. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix Snapchat, fix something went wrong, please try again later, and the error code you get on this screen is C14A. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you're seeing Snapchat something went wrong problem and the error code is C14A, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to just long press on your Snapchat app. You can see your app info. Just tap on this app info. After that, once you have to tap on the force stop, then tap on OK. After that, you will find your storage and cache option. Tap on that. Once tap on clear cache. After that, tap on clear storage. Before tapping delete, you have to read this carefully. Snap will permanently delete the following app data from your device: snaps and chats, login, settings, personal info, app activity. After reading this carefully, then tap on delete. Then go back. Scroll down. Here you will find mobile data and Wi-Fi. Just tap on this. And you have to make sure that background data and unrestricted data usage is enabled. After enabling this both, then go back. Go to settings. Select date and time. Here you have to select set time automatically. If this option is disabled, you have to just enable this option. After enabling, restart your mobile. Hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix something went wrong. Please try again later on your Android. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.